DS diving service here. And back in the middle hole. Not back. Had to get out of the water and change my lights and get better. We're at the middle hole of the vessel. That was covered in oysters and big barnacles. You do need a shaft zinc. Your hole zincs also are completely gone. And actually you probably need a zinc on the shaft and aluminum anodes on the hull, since it is a metal boat. Let's take a look. There's still some a little bit of growth at the very bottom of the keel. I don't have what it takes to get that off right now, and actually I think it might even be harmful to take it off. I did leave one oyster on the boat. There is a lot of blisters in the paint, and it seems that the oysters somehow got in and grew underneath the paint. I'm going to leave one of them in particular to show you, but let's take a look. Oh, all of your through holes are clogged with oysters too. Not anymore. Left is the backing plate. Now that she is not so funky, she could be cleaned on a regular maintenance basis. However, with all the blisters in it and all that, I think you ought to pull her out of the water and have her suspended. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.